Hello, and today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to be showing you this lovely 2012 on a 62 plate Porsche Boxster 981, and this is in Porsche's famous Guards Red. Has a 2.7 litre engine, and that Guards Red works perfectly with the black contrast. This particular model also has £13,000 worth of options, including Porsche's active suspension and sports chrono. I'll start by climbing inside. With those added options, it makes what would already be a fantastic car that little bit more special. As ever with Porsches, you get these lovely matching keys, again simulating that Guards Red.
Sleep can seem less and less important. That is, until you try getting out of bed the next morning.
To start it up, simply put your foot on the brake and twist the key. And it really does have a fantastic engine. It also has Porsche's fantastic clutch with the PDK. They really do work fantastically well. It's got these great comfortable seats, which of course are fully leather. In terms of practicality too, you just have lots of different storage space all around, which means you can carry items without feeling too cluttered. But overall, these really are just great driving machines, and you buy them for that driving experience. It's really low to the road, as you'd expect, and the car is totally built around the driver. Just look at that channel in the centre. It really is just fantastic, and I really love the steep slope up, and it's built totally around you. So it's got a lovely steering wheel that feels perfect for when you're thrashing it down the B roads. Just loves. Everything has just been designed perfectly, and all the different curves as well. And I particularly love this cock here up in the centre. Everything feels like it's been specifically designed perfectly for you. It's got one of the most inviting interiors out of any car. Of course, with it being the Boxster as well, the roof comes down nice and simply via the control panel, located easily there. This really is just a stunning car. And it's one of those cars that just looks perfectly fast. With the air intakes there as well, that great black and red contrast. It also has Carrera S alloy wheels. Again, with that red and embossed brake caliper. It certainly stands out on the road, and all for good reason. The 981 is a fantastic model and a really popular one amongst Porsche fans. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.